Hi guys, this is Anash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss how to fill blank cells with the desired value in Microsoft Excel. First of all, we check the data. We have the data, that is the country, quantity sold, price per item, amount, text formula and logical. And this amount, this is the calculation from the quantity sold, price per item. This is a multiplication. We can check this B2 multiplied by C2. So we can observe some values are blank in country, this one, and this one, this one. So these value are blank in quantity sold. That's why in the formula we have the 0, 0, 0. Now, so data is very small. If there are say 10,000, 20,000 rows in the Excel, so it is almost impossible to find all the blanks and fill some desired value. So for that purpose, we can use the go to special. So home, then find and select and go to special. We can use this one. Otherwise, we can use a shortcut key, that is the Control G. Control G, then go to special. In the special we have blanks feature. But before that we have to make sure we select the range. So cancel this one and we select this range. Now Control G, special and then blanks and OK. So we can observe all the blank cells are highlighted. Only the very first blank cell has the white background, because it indicates that you have to type here. So please do not press the enter key. Do not press the enter key. Just start typing. Suppose I want to display some value for all the blank cells. Say NA, not available. Now, do nothing. Do nothing. Press Control enter key. All together. Control enter key. So you can see all empty cells or blank cells have been filled with this NA. Country, NA, 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 NA. Now we have a problem here. Because this quantity shown, we were expecting like the some numeric value, because this value is involved in the formula in this one. Now we have filled this value with the NA, so that's why it shows the error. So what is the solution? The solution is you can do it with the selected range. If it is the text type, then you can use the NA, and if it is the number type, then you can use the 0. Okay, so we do it again. So Control Z. Now first of all we select this range and Control G, then special and blanks. Okay, now NA, Control enter. So we have NA, NA, NA. Now we select this one, numbers, Control G and special, blanks, then first, this is the first cell, type 0, Control enter key. So we can see all empty cells, blank cells have been filled with the 0, and the formula is OK now. 0 multiplied by 70 is 0, 0, 0. So we have no error in this calculation area. So this is how you can use the blank to find all the blanks in the entire worksheet and fill some desired value. So guys, this was all about the how to find the blank cells in the Microsoft Excel and fill the desired value using the go to special function. Thanks for watching the video.